Okay, so I'm going to do a bike check on my 2012 We the People Reason. And as you can see right here, I got some King Clytus bar ends. They're a little scratched. And I got some black Colt Van grips. And then Mission Captive brake lever. It's blue, as you can tell, obviously. And then I got I got We the People bars. Came with the bike. Okay, and then I got stolen headset with a factory forks. Then I got Assault Pitch Mid 20 by 2.3 tire with a Haro Hypno rim, Haro hub. And then I got some Shadow Conspiracy axle nuts. And I got factory salt pegs. And then I got an Animal linear cable, which you can tell right here. Then I got some factory salt cranks with stolen Thermalite SP pedals. As you can tell, they're a little sharp, kind of hurt. Then I got, oops, sorry, flip this around here. I got a Salt 25 tooth crank with a factory salt chain. I got a Salt brake system here with and I got a stolen joint SP tire, and again Shadow Conspiracy axle nuts, amber rim with some bullet valve caps right there, as you can tell, and I got a Eclat seat with seat post combo, and then right there I got a Salt seat clamp, seat post clamp as some people call them, and then just got a lot of freaking With People Dance Comp Vans stickers, ProTech, Tree, more With People everywhere, and so also, oh yeah, I forgot. I got another headset topper thingamajig, whatever you guys want to call them, I don't freaking care. Locking system here, stem thing. And then, God, I keep forgetting everything. I got some factory bottom brackets from Salt. And that's about it. Hope you like my titties.